Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake without cream cheese. First, let's explore some fantastic alternatives. Ricotta cheese gives a lighter, tangier result, while blended cottage cheese offers a creamy base. For a thicker, tart option, Greek yogurt works wonderfully. And if you desire ultimate richness, mascarpone cheese is an excellent choice. Each alternative brings its unique character to your delicious dessert. Now, let's craft that delicious filling. Begin by blending your chosen cheese alternative until it's incredibly smooth, removing any lumps. Then, gently combine it with eggs, sugar, and a hint of vanilla extract. For a bright, fresh note, consider adding some lemon zest or a splash of lemon juice. Remember, having all your ingredients at room temperature ensures a perfectly smooth, lump-free mixture. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the prepared filling into your crust-lined 9-inch springform pan. Bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. Using a water bath is highly recommended. It helps prevent cracks and ensures a beautifully even bake. The cheesecake is ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. The final, crucial step is chilling. First, allow your cheesecake to cool completely at room temperature. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, though overnight is truly best for optimal setting and flavor development. When ready to serve, garnish with fresh berries or a delightful fruit compote. For clean slices, use a warm, clean knife. Enjoy your homemade, cream cheese-free cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.